Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 21st of January. And first of all, national news. Women Naval Air Operations Officer to lead Indian Navy's contingent at Republic Day Parade. India did not wait for others, did what was right for Sri Lanka's recovery. S. Jaishankar. Army to get first Apache attack helicopter in February 2024. National Export Cooperative Society to export farm, non-farming products in 3 months. Henley Passport Index 2023, India rose 2 spots in Passport Strength Index. Egyptian President said to be Republic Day chief guest. S. Jaishankar's appealed for Sri Lanka's reconciliation with Indian origin Tamils. India will decide global health architecture, WHO officials praise G20 presidency. Ban on entry of heavy vehicles from Gurugram ahead of Republic Day. Rojgar Mela has become identity of our good governance, PM Modi. 180-strong Egypt contingent to join Republic Day parade, President chief guest. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi will be the first chief guest from his country at India's Republic Day celebrations. Geopolitical relationships are now issue-based rather than elegance-based, Gautam Adani said. Lions spotted in Gujarat's Barda sanctuary, a first since independence. PM Modi virtually distributed appointment letters to 71,000 people as a part of Rozgar Mela. International news. Do you receive fresh vegetables? Chinese President Xi Jinping asked troops at India-China border. India engaged Bhutan a week after its border talks with China. Fortunate to have caring, considerate friends, Sri Lanka's praised for India. I have no regrets. Joe Biden downplays classified documents issue. US announced $2.5 billion in new military assistance for Ukraine. Zelensky expected strong decisions on Western arms supplies. China reported big jump in COVID-19 hospitalizations, WHO. NATO creating problems between India, China. Russian minister. And now sports news. Ranji Trophy, Karnataka Kerala match end in draw. Win for Goa, Jharkhand, Rajasthan. Team India reprimanded by ICC handed hefty fine for slow over rate against New Zealand in first ODI. On Sifarish for players selection, Pakistan Cricket Board Chief Nazam Sethi's response. Former world number 1 Daniel Medvedev crashed out of Australian Open after losing to Sebastian Korda in third round. Iga Swiatek crushed qualifier to set up Elena Rybakina clash in Melbourne. Protesting wrestlers wrote to IOA chief PT Usha on alleged harassment complaints against WFI president. Business-related news. Nifty Sensex trade lower amid volatile session. Rupee closed 18 paise higher against US dollar. Pension fund body at 16.26 lakh net subscribers in November 2022. Budget 2023. Human resource industry expects roll out of labor codes, focus on formal jobs. Foreign exchange reserves rose to 5-month high of $572 billion. Japan's 2022 trade deficit hit record amid rising energy cost. News from Science and Technology. NASA to build next generation low emissions airplanes by 2030. 3.3 billion celestial objects captured by new survey of the Milky Way. Snowless sky slopes captured from space, lack of snowfall in Alps and Pyrenees. And that's all in news. Thank you.